Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to continue working with the user and the authentication system. We created all the templates for the registration, login, etc. Now let's create our app, right? Django admin start app. As always, I will name this one auth. Yeah, you can just name it whatever you want, but not auth, because it will throw you an error. Okay, so here we go. Here is the new app. Let's add the new app here. Oops. And then let's save. It's there. Okay, first of all, let's start working with the models. The first thing that we need to do, we need to import from Django contrib.auth.models import user, and then we want to import from movie.models import movie, because remember we're going to create a watch list and movies that I have watched in the user, whatever, right? That's for the models. And now let's import from django.db.models.signals import post save, because remember when we create a new user we want to create a new profile, so that's why we need the post save signal. And also we're going to work with the profile picture, so let's import pill image, and then let's import the settings to basically get the media folder to save the picture. Okay, let's start with the user directory path. We have done this before. This is basically to specify where we want to save the picture for the user. Let's put directory path. Then here instance, and then the file name, right? And then here we just put profile pic name. We create a new variable. Pic name will be user, and then here 0, and then profile. This is going to be so for each user we're going to create a folder with the picture of the user there. Yeah, and then let's format that instance.user.id. so basically here in the 0 we're putting the user ID, right? Okay, now the full path, and then auth path join, and then here we can just copy these auth path join, and then here settings that media root, because we want to save the picture in the media root, and then here we pass the profile pic name, the path, right? So first we check, because if the person has a picture already, we want to replace that picture. We don't want duplicates or a bunch of pictures there. So we check if the profile picture is 6, And if it's a 6, we remove that file. And yeah, that's it. And then here we basically return, yeah, that's it. Oops. So now here, let's create a new model called profile. We'll take a user 1 2 1 1 2 1. Oops, field. This is a 1 to 1 field. User. Let me see. Yeah, user. Let's put on delete models, and then related name. Let's put profile. Okay. And then first name. And then we have the first name with this model. You can, I don't know, walk around and like don't set it if you want to. Then maybe people are like, oh, but why are you duplicating this field if you have it there? I mean, it's just your preference, you know. Last name, same thing. Let's just put a blank. Or no. Yeah, whatever. Location. Same thing. 50. Null, true, blank, true, right? And let me see. First name, last name. Here, URL. We under the location, the URL. Let's put this 180. And then the bio, or like the profile information. Let's put this on test field. And a mass length, oops, mass length of 150. Yeah, that's all for the information. And now we can just, let's put a date here, like when we created, right? Date field, and out on now add true. All right, and now like here we can create the list, put like to wash list, and then this would be like many to many field, and then here we put movie, this related name, and put to watch, and then like the movies that we have watched, put models, many to many field, again movie, oops, related name, watched, and then the picture, oops, picture, image, field. And then here, load to, and then here we call this function that we just created. We put it here, and then blank. This can be true, null, true, and then yeah, scan. Now we have to like override this, the save method from, let's override this self args coerce, and here save and then let's put a size, because now we're going to work with the picture. First of all, we want to resize the picture. That's why we're doing this, to basically like resize, just in case we get a picture that's too big. But we want to save first, and then pick will be image. This image comes from here, from pill. And open, we have to open the picture first. Self picture path, that's why we save here first, because we want to get the picture. And then pick that thumbnail, pick that thumbnail, and then we pass the size, and then lang sauce, right? And then pick that save. Now we save the picture in the same path, right? Yep, pretty much. We can create a new. Okay. Let's return this username, right? Good. Now let's work with the signal. Let's put def create user profile, sender instance, and then create a if created, we check if we, and then objects that create. Now we create the profile, and then user, we pass the instance, right? Pretty much. And now here, to save the user profile. Save user profile. We have done this multiple times, so you're kind of like aware of what's going on here. Instance.profile.save. Okay. Now we put the signals. We connect the signals. First, create user profile, right? And then the sender, user. And then again, connect, save user profile, sender, user. Yeah, I think that we have everything here. Let's save that, then let's run the migrations. Python manage.py make migrations, and then migrate. Okay, so we just created our new user app, and we created the models for the user. In the next video, we're going to work with the forms for the sign up and all of that. I will stop it here for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.